Hey Aries, getting ready to do your general reading. This is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. It's a general reading, guys. So don't feel disheartened if it doesn't resonate with you. Check out the other placements in your natal chart and see the other readings as well. See like the moon sign or the rising sign, and you can check out those readings as well. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Please note that this is not a not science specific, I'm so sorry, time specific or gender specific reading. It's definitely a sign specific reading and it is meant for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Aries. Okay, you've got a lot of people here, Aries. A lot of people. Okay. Knight of Cups as the bottom of the deck, the energy at the bottom of the deck. Um, Aries, what I feel is what in the recent past you found yourself feeling as if you couldn't take a decision and you wanted to manifest something, but it kept coming to a standstill. Now, it could be a job, it could also be a passionate new beginning with a romantic partner, but you were not being able to manifest it due to some or the other reason. There were some kind of roadblocks that were uh, recurring every now and then, and it made you feel frustrated. Yeah, there was no love, there was no warmth when it comes to a romantic partner. You wanted somebody, and that person was not coming your way. And whoever was not somebody you wanted. You know, you were getting partners that were not good enough for you, basically. Partners that let you down. Yeah. But what I see now is after feeling beat, after feeling tired, you finally manifest a new beginning. Somebody wants to offer you this love that you have been wanting since a very long time. And I see you guys are manifesting what you have wanted, what you've been wanting since so long. And when this person comes and offers you this love, you're going to be very receptive to it. Because in the past, whoever has come with some kind of challenges. Either they weren't understanding enough, or they weren't caring enough, or they were overly practical and you were overly emotional. Something or the other kept coming up, and you couldn't manifest the partner that you truly wanted. And you felt as if it was not in your hands anymore, and there were times when you wanted to give in to destiny and settle for the ones who have come your way, and not wait any longer to manifest somebody who you truly deserve. But I feel that some of you waited, most of you waited for this person. Whoever now comes your way, you've got like three kings. So either there are three proposals who are coming your way and you choose one of them, or this person is very passionate. He or she knows what they want in life, they know where they're headed, they're very hell-bent on achieving their goals. Even if it is about you, they're quite hell-bent about that. They are in control of their emotions. There's a balance they strike between practical and emotional sides of theirs, and they are the ones who are the perfect companion in your life. It could be a girl, it could be a guy. As I mentioned, it's not a gender specific reading. And whatever energies that you've been through in the past with regards to a partner, They are the complete opposite of that. Whatever negativity you had to go through has been now replaced by positivity. And this is the ideal partner that you deserve, Aries, the one that you've been waiting for. I don't know why, but I feel some of you went through physical abuse as well, and I'm really sorry about that. I hope it's a minority that went through it. Okay. Yeah. Whoever this person is that you want to manifest in your life, or who you think is the ideal partner, you need to talk to them and you need to let them know that you are up for this union, because sometimes we keep waiting for the other one, the other person to make a move, and God knows they may be waiting for you to make the move, right? Adjustments are required if you're willing to tweak your lifestyle a bit to accommodate this person. Not major changes like, um, don't change your lifestyle completely for this person, because they need to, and they will accept you the way you are and love you for that. But you could adjust your, say, mood swings, or say your overly cautious nature, and give this love a chance. Work through your fears, because I know as Aries, you are very, very cautious and you don't trust people very easily. But sometimes you need to let your guard down, even if it is for 5 seconds. The answers you need are coming, of course. The answers that you've been waiting for since so long, Aries. They're coming, and this person is the answer to all your questions regarding love. They're going to be very patient with you, and they're going to be the ones that hold you when you can't hold yourself. A new romantic cycle begins, and emotions are running high. When so many proposals come, or you see your ideal partner in somebody, obviously emotions run high. There's overwhelming feelings, and there's you being skeptical about this person because it's too good to be true. So take your time. There is no hurry, but just be receptive. Just be open to new energies, to new people. You don't need to let them in the first go, but don't shut all your doors and expect them to bulldoze them, because sometimes people feel that you are really not ready for a relationship and they back off and look elsewhere. I am sure, Aries, you don't want that. So give this person a chance, because they are the one and you are the one for them. Aries, I hope this reading helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.